Hi friends, and welcome back to my tutorials friends. And today's section is going to discuss with you some mechanical plan in the 3D. So this is a thing I going to discuss with you in the 3D. Okay, let me start that. See friend, I'll be take this all those dimensions on 3D and I'll going to explain of it to you. See friend, I'm going to make the 3D modeling, and as well as we are going to do this thing onto the isometric side also, in 2D side also. But I'm not going to on the 2D side. I'm going to discuss with the 3D commands. Okay, so how we'll do that? So I'm using extrude and the presspull command only. By using of that presspull and extrude command, we are going to discuss these things to you. Okay, let will start that. Okay, so here I'm selecting this, I'm deleting it. So now we can observe friends what this thing is there is. So now first of all I'll go up for the front view here, and I'm going to draw this thing in this shape, and after that I came back to the isometric and I'll do presspull command for that. So that's very easy to do that, so I can explaining of it to you. Okay, we'll start that. So I go by the isometric to front. Yeah, so we come into the here front. So we have this thing under this element I want to do now. That is, we can see friends, this is 14. I think so it is a 14, and this is 40. It means it's a 14. 40 minus 14, so it means how much will come? Okay, I think so it is 26. Yeah, I think so it is 26. If it's 26 now, so then we should off it, that is 13 and 13. So I'll do that one. So I'll take this line command, I'll enter and draw a line that is 13. Sorry, I'll give it as 13, and I'll move it up, that is 14, and I need to draw this is also 14, and this is also 14, and this is 13, and enter, and we need to up it here. This totally 41, so I think so it is 41. Yeah, so it's a 41, and this is 40. Yes, and this is 41. Done friend. So it's okay for me, and we can see now, so here to here we have 22. It's 14 is gone now, so I can take that. So I'll enter here. Now I draw a line here. This is 14. 22 minus 14, so 6 plus 2, 8. So I can give this 8. I'll take a circle friend. I make it the circle how much? That is 8 diameter. So I take a 8 diameter on this point. D enter. Diameter is 8. Select this one. Delete this. No problem. So now I can back to the isometric. Then what happens? You can see now. Now I'm using press, pull, enter. Now I'm specify the center and how much we need to see friend, that is 80. I think so. This is 80. Done. Now you can see friends, I don't want the grid, so I using command that is Control Z. Now see, I wants to be do this area, so this is 60, so I need to do that. 60 means this is 20 will remain, 10 I need to do. So I can say now L enter, that's 10 I need to, and we have this is 8, this is 8, and this is 60, and this is 8. Now escape it. Now what I do is I'm escaping it here. Now I'm using presspull command here. I'm giving this an inside. I pull it like this. Done. What happens, friends? You can see, and shift to plus this. Yeah, this is the here, and we have other thing, that is this thing I need to do now. But we can say now 80 is there, 80 is gone here, and 24 is gone here. 24 plus 24, that is 48 plus 8. Here is given that is 12. Okay, and I think so it's 12. Okay, so I do that. See, but here they given the distance of this, but I want to be getting the distance of this also. Okay, so what I need to do now? Okay, this is, yeah, so this one is I need to get now. So this is 40, so 40 minus 24, that is how much? 6 is 30, 16, so it means it is 8. So here what we need to do now? So here we can see, friends, I go by the top view, yeah, and realistic to 2D wireframe, yeah. So you can see now this is the 2D wireframe for you, and I need to do this things to you. Okay, now I can observe. See, what I need to do is I want to be take it as 8, and this side it is 8, and this side is 8, and this side is 12. So okay, I take this L enter, and this side is 12. I think so it is 12, it is 8, and yeah, so yeah, and here to here we have 24. I can say now 24, and this side is also 24. I can take 24, and this side is also 24, and this side is also 24. Done. Now you can see, now I select this line, delete it, and select this line, delete it. Now I draw a simple line like this. I can draw a line like this here. Done. Now I'm doing mirror command. I'm selecting this, this, enter, and I'm taking the midpoint, and I'm doing mirror. Done. Now you can see, friends, I'm selecting this line and delete this, and I want to be draw a one more circle over here. This circle is 18 dia. I need to draw this. L enter, midpoint to 24, that is 12. Okay, and we have this. Okay, I have circle. C enter, and take circle over here. This is D enter 28. See, I'm taking this line, delete that. Yeah, and same thing I need to do this. MI enter, mirror. I'm taking the midpoint over here. Done. See, yeah, of course it's done. Now what we need to do now? So I come with the top two, I select. Then we can see. Now what I need to do is, see, friend, it is not continuous line, right? It's to cut feeds. Here we can observe, friends, here what happens means this cutting portion is 8 only. Here to here we have 8. From that we have the holes. Okay, so first of all I need to do that. Okay, then after I do this thing. So that's why what I do is select that and towards up, select this and towards up. Now you can press pull it. Press pull, press and pulse, and that is 8. And here also we need to do the same thing, and now we can press pull it here. This I can use it, press pull command once again. Press pull, enter, and I'm holding it. See, I can pull it down. What happens means automatically it saves that. No problem. I can do one more thing for you. This extrude for this, enter, I'm creating this. Now I'm using the command that is called subtract. You enter from this object, enter to this I want to be done. Now you can see we can change the 2D wireframe to realistic, then we can see the shape. See friend, actually what happens here, we can see that shape is done. Clear friend? Yeah, shape is absolutely done. This is the way we are going to do as a 3D plans, friends. The 3D plans is doing very easy when you are knowing that 2D perfectly. When the 2D is perfect, then we can easily do the 3D plans. There was not on an issue. Okay friends, thank you, and please subscribe my channel.